Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. Today we have what for some people is a very perplexing problem. Given the payment that comes out of a perpetuity and its interest rate, can we calculate its principal? As in, what is the value of this perpetuity given these numbers? A monthly payment of $6,250 will make it, and an interest rate of 6% per annum. Now, if you don't know what a perpetuity is, there's another video on my channel that explains that. Very simply, it's a sum of money which never decreases in value, it always stays the same, and the interest from it is paid out on a regular basis. So, it looks like an annuity perhaps, but it never runs out. It is perpetual, a perpetuity. Now, not to mock those who have found a question like this extremely difficult and who have been given a fairly complicated way of solving it, it's possible to solve it on one of these or even on your phone. It's a very simple idea. So what do we know? We know that whatever the principal is, at 6% it pays out $6,250 a month. Now we have a number of ways in which we can go about this. We can work out how much it pays out per year. So I'll just do that now. 6,250 times 12. So it pays out $75,000 a year. Or we could work out what the monthly interest rate is and apply it to this. We already know what the annual interest rate is, and we are going to apply it to this. But 6% divided by 12 means that we've got 0.5% per month, or if we write that as a decimal, 0.005, and this is 0.06 as a decimal. Now, when you know the value of a perpetuity, you can work out the payment by simply taking the interest rate over the period in question and figuring out how much interest it pays, and that will be the payment. I'll show you that in a moment. Anyway, let's get to this. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to work it out using the monthly amounts, which is this. And how we do that is we do this. That's all we do. So as you can see, what I've done is I've taken the interest rate and I've divided this number here, the payment, the monthly payment, by that. This is the monthly interest rate. So 6,250 divided by 0.005 is $1.25 million. I'll just do this on here so that you can see it. So clear it. 6,250 divided by 0.005, 1.25 million. Now, I'm going to take the total payout for the year and divide it by the decimalized interest rate, and I'm going to get the same number. There we go. So just so you can see it on screen, 75,000 divided by 0.06 gives me 1.25 million. Now, let's just check that working from this. So 1 1.25 million times, we'll take this one, 1.06. Now, why have I done this? Because some of you may calculate these using recurrence relations. So what this is going to do, first of all, is it's going to give you this amount, and that equals 1.325 million. Not very much if you say it quickly. Now, the difference between that and that, so that minus that, is going to equal $75,000, which is the payout. What's the quick solution to all of this? Take the matching interest rate and divide it into the monthly or yearly payout amount, and you will get your answer. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please like and subscribe. See you later. Bye.